Hello friends, welcome to Tebel's World Recipes. Today, we bring you a very simple dish for breakfast or brunch. We're going to prepare some French toast. Even though it's named French toast, that is because the French popularized this dish in America. But the reality is that this dish is born in Roman times when the Romans would make a custard with eggs and milk and soak bread and cook it. From there it evolves all through Europe, reaches in France it was known as lost bread or pain Perdu, and in Germany and England it was known as golden nights. Even though it's very popular nowadays, very simple to make, and your kids are gonna love it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need is 8 slices of bread. I'm using Texas toast, 4 eggs, a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, some butter to cook, and maple syrup. Optional, you can add some berries. We're going to start by preparing our custard. We're going to crack in a bowl our 4 eggs. And we're going to add our milk. If you want to make it richer, you can use half and half or even heavy cream. Then we're going to add our brown sugar, our vanilla, and our cinnamon. And now we're going to whisk until we break the eggs and we have a homogeneous custard. And we keep whisking, and now we have our custard. Now in a pan, we're going to heat at medium heat, and we're going to put some butter in. To start, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to wait until it melts completely. I have my custard and my bread ready on the side, and you'll see how easy it is to make French toast. Now that our butter is almost fully melted, we're going to take one of our slices of bread and we're going to dunk it in our custard. We're going to let it soak there for a few seconds, and then we're going to flip it around. We're going to let it soak on the other side as well, and then we're going to transfer it to the pan. We'll be cooking each bread slice about 3 minutes per side. This is already smelling great, and we're going to keep on doing the same process until all our French toast are ready. After 3 minutes, we're going to flip our French toast, and it needs to look golden brown. If it looks a little bit dark, don't worry, the first ones always do, as they absorb more cinnamon, but they're still good. We're going to give it a little bit, and then we're going to check that both sides are toasted. And this is ready. And look at that. Now we'll keep on doing until all our French toast is done. After each batch, add a little bit more butter. And same process. Soaking on both sides and putting it in the pan. My whole kitchen smells like cinnamon right now, and I'm loving this. I'm using Texas toast, but you can use brioche, baguette even. It's all depending on your preference. And now, all our French toasts are done. We are ready to plate. Look at this. Now to plate, I'm going to put a little bit of butter on the top while it's still warm. And then we're going to add some maple syrup. You can also add confectioner's sugar. I just like it the traditional way. You can also use some whipped cream and some berries. In my case, I'm just going to add some berries on the side just to garnish. I have some blueberries and raspberries. And now, our French toasts are ready to eat. Quick and easy, our French toast is ready. It's smelling amazing, so let's try it. There. Wow. I can't describe it. The custard that the bread soaks transforms this whole dish. Super easy. Prepare this for your kids over the weekend or for brunch, and they're gonna love it. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any special recipe that you would like to see. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like. Don't forget to see our stores on Amazon and on YouTube, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you next time.